How to add Telegram's group members to another group. Hello everyone, this is Hazel here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you have to do is go to the Play Store and search for Telegraph. So it's a graph messenger, search for it, and you just have to install this application to your device. Here I have already installed it to my device to save the time. Then here you have to just log in to your Telegram account to the Telegraph or graph messenger. It have the same interface as Telegram. Then what you have to do is go to the group which you want to take the members to another group. Tap on these three dots, tap on search member, and select the members that you want to transfer to another group and tap on this icon. After that, you just have to search for the destination group. Select the destination group and tap on add, and the members will be transferred from this group to another, and that's how we are done. So you can also go to the Telegram app and check for it. Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for now, and I'll catch you in the next one.